Well, it's a extremely windy Sunday, December 19th, I think. And this is the first time that we've popped a hole and round since before the crazy meltdown and rain and high winds. And we made some ice. I measured it just a second ago, and we now have 1 foot of really good looking ice. So that is one benefit to losing all your snow, is you're gonna make a bunch of ice. That's about made about 3 inches of ice since Wednesday, I bet, out here. It varies from place to place, but about 3 inches on average. So shoot. There we go. Oh boy. This is a small fish. Oh, there goes my phone. Nice little walleye. Cool. There we go. A little better walleye. There we go. All right. That's a little better walleye. There we go. Well, I got a mess. I got everything tangled up. I got a walleye on. Good grief. All right. See if I can keep him hooked. There we go. All right. Not too bad. This big guy is definitely going back. There he goes. It is a snowy Monday, the 27th of December. We're getting another big storm up here, and once again, it is forecasted that we're going to get some snow here at Tuscarora into the Gunflint Trail, so maybe 3 inches, maybe 5 inches, something like that. But Grand Marais, 12 to 18 inches. They already have 2, and it just started snowing. So it's a big storm. I think this is another one that's going to smoke the mid-trail area. They're going to get way more snow than we are. And it's all going to shoot south of us a little bit, but that's all right. It is time for a snow measurement. It stopped snowing for most of the day, and then the next system has moved in here and it's starting to snow again, but like I think I said, it's not supposed to add up to much. But I'm back where we've measured. This will be the 3rd measurement back here behind dining, and let's see what we got. About 10-ish inches of snow. 10 inches of snow. So we got about 4 out of that storm that just got out of here, I guess, late last night. So it's starting to add up. We're still not back to where we were before the rain in early December. We had 12 to 14 inches. So working our way back, but still not quite there. Well, it's Tuesday afternoon, and it's really coming down. We're not supposed to get much snow. I think 1 to 2 inches maybe, but way more closer to town. But it is really snowing pretty good. This is the, I guess, semi-annual reminder about the lake trout season in the Boundary Waters, which we get questions about every year because it is a little confusing. on the first Saturday coming up here, lakes like Tuscarora, Duncan, Daniels, Gillis, lakes that are entirely within the wilderness area, they open up for fishing. Lakes that are partially in the wilderness area, so like Seagull, Saginaw, Clearwater is a good option, a good example. They do not open. They open on Saturday the 15th. And the big thing is, if the lake is entirely within the wilderness area, you're good to go. But if it's not, then it opens on Saturday the 15th. So keep an eye out for that. I think it's going to be a busy fishing opener because it's on a Saturday, and I just drove to town on a Tuesday, and it's nutty up here. It is busy. So get going early in the morning. Well, I'm running to town, so I figured I'd grab a snow measurement. This is the North Brule Road, so we're kind of in the mid-trail area, and I'm just off the Gunflint Trail a little ways, but this is fairly protected in here, so let's see how much snow we got. Ooh, looks like 17.5 inches of snow in the woods. Pretty good. And it's snowing harder and harder. Holy smokes. I'm out kind of in the middle around, not quite all the way there. Wanted to get a snow measurement out in the lake and see what it's like. There isn't that much. Let's see here, about a little more than 5 inches of snow out in the middle around, which is a pretty small lake. No slush. Winter campers are reporting almost no slush, and usually a little less snow than 5 inches on the lakes. And this is up here, mid-trail. There's going to be way more, but end of the Gunflint Trail, not so much snow on the lakes.